Belair Insurance Canada app. The pros, the cons. The Belair Insurance Canada app is designed to give drivers control over their insurance, but most people get this wrong if they assume it's only a digital IT card. The app allows you to manage policies, submit claims and access support all from your mobile device. On the pros side, you can view and update policy details, pay premiums and access digital documents quickly. Claims submission is simple with photo uploads and real-time status tracking. The app also includes roadside assistance requests and notifications for policy changes. Users frequently highlight its clean interface, ease of navigation, and responsive performance. On the cons side, some users report occasional slow loading or minor glitches. Advanced analytics like premium optimization and detailed coverage comparisons are limited. Offline functionality is minimal, so a stable internet connection is necessary. In conclusion, the Belair Insurance Canada app provides convenience, fast claims filing, and accessible policy management. While it may not offer advanced analytics, it's a reliable, user-friendly tool for Canadian drivers managing insurance on the go.